Hello, I'm Sully from Mandelbrot LLC. We're going to do some manipulation of existing routes. So one of the first things that I wanted to show you here is we have all these different users and they can be added to many different routes at the same time. So for example, if I wanted to turn off all of the calls to my account, right, I can just mark myself as away. I can also block all the SMS notifications as well if I don't want to get any caller ID messages or any recordings, to my SMS at least. So if I'm marked as away, I'm not going to get any phone calls, which is really nice if you have 10 cell phones that are attached to a single route and one of them runs out of juice or is out of cell range and doesn't have signal. You don't want all the calls that should go to the other 9 cell phones going to that one out of range cell phone's voicemail. Remember that all calls are directed to whoever answers first. So that away function is really nice if you want to take one of those people out temporarily. Now here we have all these different inbound call destinations, and just for this example we're going to use confirmation. So when I highlight confirmation on the left in blue, on the right I have all the different routes that I can send it to. So I can send those to any number of these different places. Now, if I wanted to send it to more than one place, currently it's just the confirmation desk, but if I wanted to send it to more than one place, for example, I'll add myself just by tapping my name, and then let's say we'll add Jeff Dunn as well. So once I hit commit, it adds those routes. So when I return to that page, if I look at it a second time, just to confirm, confirmation desk, Jeff Dunn, and Sully. So I'm currently set to away. So when I click view inbound routes, and then I hit filter, and I look at the inbound route named confirmation, then hit go, you'll notice that the top line, confirmation desk phone, it's still there. I'm still there. Jeff Dunn is there as well. Now, away is marked though for me. So when a phone call comes into this route, to the confirmation route, it's going to reroute the call to Jeff Dunn and the confirmation desk phone. It is not going to call me unless I turn off away. Now, I can't flip away on or off from this page. I have to go back to the user settings and flip away off. And the reason for that is because you have to understand when you mark somebody as away, it's not just for one route, it's for all of their routes. It turns off all the phone calls to their phone. So one other thing you can do from this screen is you can delete an individual from a route, but you can also do that, it's easier to do that, I think, from this add and edit route here. So here we have the confirmation route still highlighted. I'm going to remove myself. You click the brown X, click remove user. I'm going to do that for Jeff as well because he's not actually supposed to get those calls unless he's, okay. So let's just check real quick. Confirmation. So we have confirmation highlighted. If you're unsure of whether or not it's correct, you can always hit clear and then highlight it again just to take another look. Yep. Or you can look up in the view inbound routes. You can look up, hit filter in the bottom left corner. Confirmation's already in here, but if you hit this little drop down here, you can pick from all the different places where you have. So we're going to do confirmation. And then hit go. And there we are. It's only routing to that one single place. So I'm going to go ahead and unfilter, just clear those filters so we see all of them, and close this window as well. And thanks again for tuning in. This is Sully with Mandelbrot LLC.